Good morning. So it's about 11 o'clock in the morning and I just woke up. It was a rough night. Little man didn't want to go to sleep. I mean, he went to sleep late and then he kind of woke up every hour. I don't know what was going on that he kept waking up, but he did, and so I could not wake up early today for the life of me. So thank God we are camping and the husband is here, because otherwise I would just be like a walking zombie. So we are now waiting for Rourke to finish his nap so we can go on a little hike. And it's a beautiful day. I don't think it's very hot or very cold. It's just perfect temperature. I don't even know what the temperature is, but there's a nice breeze and the sun is out, so we should be okay for warmth if we want to. And I don't know if I showed you guys last night the campsite, but it's really great. It has like a little like ridge that we can go up to and see the mountains from here. So look at this. Right behind me over here, there's like a great view of the mountains and the picnic table. And then right over here is the trail that goes up to the, and I'm wearing my flip-flops, so I guess it's not gonna be a very stable shot, so sorry about that. Oh, and then last night, oops. And last night, oh, can you guys hear this? There's a bug that makes like the loudest noise, and it's like right there. I don't know if you can see it on the camera. It's almost like those electric bug killers, you know, where when they get zapped. That's what it sounds like. But here's the view from here. Isn't that amazing? It's so pretty. And I don't know exactly where this trail goes. I just know that last night I was about right there taking pictures of the Milky Way. I got one picture, but the clouds were in, so it wasn't a great picture. And last night as well, we got a visit from the camp host, because there was a bear in the area, and so they were just telling everybody that and that to put everything away. So that made me a little bit glad that I had already done the pictures at night, because it was pitch dark and you know, you gotta turn your lights off and it's like, okay, the bear could have been right next to me and I wouldn't know. And they're really silent, guys. It's not like you can hear a bear coming. It's a myth that was proven wrong to me in Canada. You can hear a chipmunk coming, but you cannot hear a bear coming unless they want you to hear it. So yeah, so now we're just waiting until the little man wakes up, and then we're gonna hit the trails. So we made it to the road and it's noon. Usually we don't go hiking this late, but it is what it is. So we're gonna go to Cass Falls, and little man is looking at me. What are you saying? Hello. So we're gonna go to Cass Falls, which shouldn't be too bad of a drive, and then it's not very strenuous to get to. So that should be fun, and then we'll see what we'll do from there. We we decided to stop and do the Alluvial Fan I think, trail, which is I think it's the site of a flood that happened many years ago, and except there's no real trail. It's just bouldering, and you just go and figure out where you want to go. So we're just trying to do that, you see. And then you get here, but then this is the situation to getting up there. So we're gonna be seeing if we want to continue or not. So change of plans. We originally were gonna go to Chasm Falls, but we realized that we had been there already, and it's like on a one-way road that you gotta drive like 9 miles up to the Alpine Visitor Center. It's a beautiful drive, but it's a little bit farther than we want to go right now because we probably need to get some lunch in a little bit, and the little man is gonna be cranky if we drive 9 miles one way to a fall and then have to drive all the way to the top. So we are gonna see if there is another trailhead that we can do close to our campground, and then go back there for lunch, and then maybe go to Estes Park or drive Trail Ridge Road later on today. I think that would be some like really beautiful sunset spots. So we're gonna try to do that and see how it goes. It's getting pretty warm, so we don't want to be out too long in the sun. Change of plans again. So the trail that we thought we were gonna do was like 4.5 miles each way. Not happening. So we came to Estes Park to have lunch because we were both hungry, or I was hungry, and we're gonna have lunch, maybe have an ice cream on afterwards, and then we are going to go back to the campground and wait until it gets a little bit cooler. And yeah, so that should be our plan for today. Guys, we had lunch in Estes Park. We walked around a lot, tried to find an ice cream place, but none of the flavors really appealed to me. So we're going back to the campground. Lunch wasn't that special, and it's really hot, and I'm feeling completely wiped out. I don't know if I'm getting sick or if it's just, you know, sleepless nights catching up to me. But we are going back to the campground now, and I'll see if I can take a nap. Another change of plans. Today we're like flying by the seat of our pants, but we decided to drive to Lily Lake, which is outside of the park but on the way to the park. and it's pretty empty. It's pretty nice. I think it would be a great place for a sunset or sunrise, I don't know. But it's pretty cool. So we're just gonna walk around the lake and then we're gonna go to our campground. I think we just saw a baby beaver, but I'm not sure because I haven't seen one that size before, and it was hard to see with the sun. But hopefully I got the footage, so you guys are gonna be able to see it, and I'll be able to see it when I get home. But we'll see. That'd be pretty cool. And then he got to the grass and we didn't know where he went. It was kind of sneaky. But this was a great little hike, Lily's Lake. Definitely gonna come back here. We're back at the campsite and now we're gonna prepare dinner. We're just enjoying a little bit of the afternoon in this beautiful place. So we're gonna have steak, snap peas or sugar peas. Are they the same? Maybe. And some grilled peaches. I think I made meat for like 10 people. Alright, dinner's ready. The meat is there. Snap peas, and then the grilled peaches, which I don't know how they turned out, but we'll see.